You've never had popcorn like this before. For this recipe, you'll need aluminum foil. Tear off 2 pieces of the same size. Spread 1 piece on the counter, scatter the popcorn kernels on it, and place a good amount of butter on top. Season with salt to your taste. Cover with the second piece of foil, pressing the edges to seal it into an envelope. Poke a hole in the center with a long toothpick. Now, heat a skillet and place the packet of kernels, butter, and salt on it. The popcorn will cook on its own. Soon, you'll hear the familiar popping sound. Once it stops, remove the packet from the skillet immediately. Wait a moment, then cut open the foil packet. You'll instantly smell the buttery popcorn. This skillet method for making popcorn is easy, and the flavor has never been better.